Amazon Kindle How To. While hanging out in the course of a few hours in a Facebook group, I discovered this question asked many times: how do I price my Kindle book? If you don't strategy pricing from a 22, the options for Amazon's Kindle direct publishing method may be source of confusion. The powers that be over are smart. They originally set up the KDP program to sell competitively priced ebooks. They knew that when they put pricing ebooks ability to the hands of publishers and the writers, they might wind up getting any price range. In the end, ebooks on websites are priced even higher, and at times, KDP decided to offer an incentive to writers and publishers to keep people from running pricing ebooks beyond their market value. And no incentive is like money. KDP users can pick if they would like to make 70% royalty or 35% royalty. The catch is, to create 70% users must cost their ebooks competitively between $2.99 and $9.99. The lowest cost of $2.99 keeps the material from being devalued, while keeping it in a no-brainer investment for customers. Anything lower compared to $2.99, and many customers begin to wonder whether the material inside is well worth it, unless the description of the ebook says the ebook is remarkably brief. Why would anyone want to cost outside that range of profit margins that are higher? Since sometimes it is demanded by the content. Lead generation, Kindle books used for lead generation are often brief, strong bursts of information. They are typically priced between 99 cents and $2.99 because of their shorter length and capability to capture people in the writer's list for future follow-up. Lead creating ebooks have a call to action in them designed to entice this reader to visit an internet site for an extra free goodie, typically something only available to Kindle readers. For instance, my lead creating ebooks have a call to action to get a free web seminar through a clickable URL. Readers who want to access that extra free present visit the website and opt for my list to receive the webinar. There, this books you'd see in this company section of a bookstore. These books typically begin their lives in print, and after that get released in ebook format. They are this types of books people buy to learn just as much as they can on a specific topic. They include a lot more meat than just this main points about a topic. Those are the ebooks priced between $2.99 and $9.99. They're considered trade titles, mainstream topics that can have plenty of competition, but sell well anyway, as each novel covers portions of subjects not covered by other books on this same subject. Specialty books include textbooks and niche books on particular topics like SQL programming. Click the link below to get the best product in the market. It's an affiliate link.